Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the music controls feature on your Suunto 7 smartwatch. So basically what this feature does is it allows your smartwatch to turn into a remote control and control the music coming from your cell phone. Now by default when you get this watch, if you simply press the middle right button, that will launch the music controls button. Now you'll notice in my case it says start by playing music or video from any app. The reason it's showing me that is because on my cell phone, I don't have any kind of music or video app currently open, so it has nothing for me to play. Now, these buttons are customizable, so if you don't see that feature, you might have to go and change this middle button to be the music controls app. There's other ways to get to it. You can get to it through your app list as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to start playing some music from my cell phone, and then we will use the Suunto 7 to control it. So I'm going to go and I'm going to choose one of my music apps. Let's do Pandora. So Pandora is open. I'm going to go ahead and just pause it for a second. If we click on the watch face, by default it should automatically launch music controls. You can see here's the song and artist that's playing. I still have my current time up here, and then I've got some control buttons. I can go to the next song, I can go to the previous song, or I can click play because we've currently got it paused. Now, these features are going to kind of vary depending on what kind of music app you're using. For example, with Pandora, I can't go back to the previous song because we just opened the app, so there's nothing for me to previously play. If I already had it open in the background, that feature would work for us. But I'm going to simply click on the play button, and we should start hearing the music playing from our cell phone. I've got volume buttons down here, so if I want to turn the volume up or down, I can press that. Now maybe you're not a touchscreen person, you don't want to use the touchscreen functionality. You can use the buttons on the side as well. So if I want to pause, the top button is to go back to the beginning or the previous song. The middle button is going to be your play and pause button. You'll notice I paused it, and then I can play it. And then the bottom right button will be to go to the next song. Pretty simple. Maybe you don't like the fact that it automatically turns on. If you press and hold the watch face while that's on, you'll see an option for auto launch media controls. If you don't want it to automatically turn on media controls when you've got music playing, you can simply turn this off. In my case, I kind of like it. Doesn't bother me at all. I'm going to go ahead and pause what's playing so you can hear what I'm saying. And that's a quick look at how we use the media controls on our Suunto 7. The one thing I should mention is you can also go to the Google Play Store and download music apps that allow for offline content. If you've got one of those on your watch, you can pair your Bluetooth headphones to the watch, and you can take off walking and listen to music just from your watch, and you can leave your cell phone behind. As always, I hope the video helps.